Hi, my name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non technical professionals access jobs in cybersecurity. I always say the best people to talk about a program or a course are people who've actually gone through it. So today I am joined by Patrick, who has recently finished our Cybersecurity Career Accelerator. Hey, Patrick, thank you so much for joining. We're going to make this a quick one. So, before you joined the Cybersecurity Career Accelerator, tell us a little bit about where you were in your career and why you decided to join this program.
Yes, I was working in a restaurant beforehand, and after that, I went back to school and got my MBA in finance, and then that was during the pandemic. And then fresh out, I did a bit of traveling, and I heard from a friend about your webinar, so I joined in, and here I am.
Great. So you attended the webinar. There were still some other options that you could have taken. What made you choose to join this cybersecurity accelerator over anything else?
The faculty mostly. There was a lot of direction, a lot of encouragement, and a lot of reassurance that it's not as technical as a lot of other programs out there tend to make you believe.
Great. And I hope that I am one of your favorite. We work with a few facilitators, so I hope I am one of your favorite. And what part of the program would you say you found most valuable?
Wow, all of it really, but mainly I would say that the most important was how simplified everything was to understand. Each lesson had a beginning and end, and then there was all those reviews we did together, and the questions were really fun. Some of them were a little tricky, but I would say that was the most helpful and the most important to me.
How has this program helped you?
Wow, there's a lot to say there. It's confirmed that I can get into cybersecurity. It's made me a lot more confident, and I'm looking forward to getting into the industry after all of the lessons we went through. I feel far more confident than I did when I looked at all those other programs that was kind of sink or swim.
Great, thank you. And then final question, if someone is on the fence about joining this program, what would you say to them?
I would tell them immediately to do it at first, and that you're not going to get the same kind of leadership from the faculty that you are in all these kind of do it yourself programs. The faculty is a big win for this program that you're part of, and you are one of my favorites. And I would say the amount of encouragement from the faculty really breaks through that wall where you feel you can't get through in understanding cybersecurity. The faculty breaks that wall apart for you.
Well, thank you so much, Patrick. I am so looking forward to following your journey. I know that, you've recently finished and you're applying for jobs, and I can't wait to see what you do. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kimberly.